What's up, guys? So quick update. We are about to hit 10,000 subscribers. We're not too far from it, and I've partnered up with TG Works. So we're gonna be doing either a G35 trunk, carbon fiber trunk giveaway, or a G37 carbon fiber trunk giveaway. Or if you do not have a G35 or G37, maybe we could work something else out that has to do with carbon fiber for your car, because they also do carbon overlays and all that, and a bunch of custom carbon fiber work. So that's what they specialize in. So quick rule: if you guys want this to happen, we got to get them to 10,000 followers on Instagram. Here's their IG right here. Give them a follow. Let's get them to 10,000 followers on IG. And then once I hit the 10,000 subscribers, I'll make a separate video with them, and we could talk about how we're going to be going about it and picking a winner for this, okay? So again, thank you guys for all the support, and enjoy the video. Clear view right here. Alright, so now that we have everything removed, fenders, hood, radiator support, the fans, the old radiator, finally removed those, all the brackets on both ends, that one and that one, we can finally start putting things back in order. So right here we have the new radiator support and the radiator. So we got those tubing, all that, everything good to go. But before we get to that, we're gonna mount this up, pick the fans back up, mount up the fans, bolt on the radiator support, and then we can start putting the radiator back on. Yeah, so this sensor bolts up right here, and then make sure that your fans, they have these little tabs right here, they go in here. So we're gonna bolt this up, and then we're gonna bolt up the radiator support, which bolt onto right here, these 4 or 8 if you're including both sides. So let's do that. This is where we left off right now, but as you can see, I mocked up the hood. It's latched in. Fender is kind of like propped up just to see how it aligns, but turns out hood hinges got damaged, they got bent, they got shifted. This arm is what's messed up. So yeah, these aren't gonna work anymore. Luckily for me, I was able to get a new set, new OEM parts from Infinity. So we got middle bracket that goes down the radiator support, the hood latch support. So this one goes bolted on right here like so. So that one's gonna go there. And then we got the whole big radiator plastic cover that covers up this whole front end when you open the hood. We got 2 new hood hinges, brand new, the left and right side, and the coolant reservoir tank. So all this is going to be going on the car. So right now I'm just going to remove all these parts, and we continue putting everything back how it was. So we're going to remove the old hood hinges, put up this middle bracket, and put the coolant tank reservoir in, and then we're going to bolt everything back on. Hopefully everything fits the way it should. Alright, so we basically have everything mocked up right here. So you guys could see. Caps aren't perfect. Aftermarket hoods, of course. But that's fine. I feel like I need to make some more adjustments here and there just to get this perfect. Same on this one. So I'll figure that out. Now I'm just gonna assemble the headlights, both of them, pass over the ballast and the HID bulbs and all that onto the new headlights. And then this fender, I need to sand down, get all this crap off. And then this one, I need to wrap in gloss black along with this one. All right, so right here we have the whole broken headlight. We got that one all broken up. And then we got the two new ones right here. Fresh. Nice. All right, so this is where we're currently at. We got this headlight wired up and everything, so this is good to go. Bumper, we still need to wrap, but I already took all the grills off and all that, so we can start wrapping that. Now, this fender, OMG, this thing was a pain in the butt to take off all the paint. So I ended up spraying it with some paint remover, but then it started peeling off the original black paint that it had under, so I had to strip it down to the metal. So it's sanded down, ready to go. I just need to clean it up a little bit, and then we'll start wrapping this thing. So let's give it a clean up, and I start wrapping these things, get the last headlight in, and the front end should be done.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Why?
All right, car is done and looking complete. Got the bumper grills back on, headlights are on and wired up. Battery covers and weather strips are all back on. And yeah, everything is basically looking the way it should be. The only thing I need to do now is just put in the new radiator hose, since this one is broken from right there, or it's got a tear. But other than that, we're missing the intakes. That should be arriving soon. And then I could put the new mass sensors on, and the car should be able to start up and run perfectly fine. We're going to be getting a brand new grill. The owner ordered a new one, so that should be arriving, I think, tomorrow. Going to be doing the oil change, adding coolant, and we are done. changed the white pipe. So I took off the OEM white pipe and I put my G35 white pipe. So after just FYI guys, G35 350Z white pipes do fit on G37s. I'm not sure about the sedans, but for sure they fit on the coupe. So the owner's gonna be coming in a little bit. New girl just arrived and he ended up picking up the still-in intake. So we gotta remove these. Right now I'm gonna remove the front bumper because we need to Dremel out the holes for the intakes, make them bigger. So I'll show you guys that right now in a little bit. So we got the bumper off right now. So these holes right here, we need to Dremel them out, make them bigger. So the tube is more circular and these, as you could tell, is more rectangular. So we need to cut it out, make it a little bit of an opening right here and right here so the intakes can easily slide through. And same on this side right here. This is gonna be a little tough, but I'm gonna get the Dremel out. We're gonna drill these out and hopefully I can have them all ready to go before the owner arrives and then we could just pop them in. Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? Hi there, hi there. Oh, I was gonna say what's up. Yeah, for sure. So we got the still intakes right here. And we're gonna be installing the owner right here. Yep. Will you look at it?
So pretty.
I mocked up the bumper right now. I saw you coming. I was already drilling the holes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got one done right now.
That's what's up. Totally different from what you look like. You know what I noticed too? That the headlights, these are darker, huh?
Yeah, those are darker than the other ones. The other ones had the clear lens.
Yeah. So these are like smoked out. Huh? I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice.
I believe it.
I just put it up right here. Oh, it's good.
That new radiator.
Everything all brand new. All right, so here we have the full still-in intakes. So I think this should be big enough right here. Oh yeah, that goes through. What the hell? What's it hitting? Okay, yeah. So it'd be something like that. So we got one done. We still need to do the other side. All right, we got both intakes in. Now we can start adding all the rest of the stuff. All right, intakes are on. Let's give it a jump start. See if it actually works. Come on, baby. Please start. Come on, come on, come on. Don't do this to me. Yup. She's on. She's staying on. Come on. Last sensors, do your thing. So I'm gonna get the bumper back on real quick because we have to make it a tire shot to replace this tire right here. All right, everything is done. Car was warmed up, ran fine. Latches. There she is, bro.
Fucking amazing, bro. Good work, man. Good shit.
You wanna pull it out? There we have it, guys. G37 rebuilt, done. For sure. For sure. Keep me updated.
For sure, dude.
All right.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro. Definitely be hitting you up about those other parts, stuff for sure.
All right. So there we have it, guys. That is going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully it was really informative for anyone that was trying to rebuild their crashed G37. So again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.